Hey guys, Video Game Brawlers here, PSA here. Today I'm gonna unboxing a Bakugan Brawlers Bakutin, Ventus Bakutin. I just bought from Caribbean Garden Market in 2014. Back here, sure. Hey, let's get open up here. Fine. Okay, so here's our two Bakugan pearls, Ventus pearls, Bakugan. Yeah. There's 5 gate cards and 5 ability cards here. So our first up is Teamwork. Oh, Gaganoid. Tsunami. Bakugan Swap. Light Burst. And now Julie's Throw. Shun's Throw. G Power Boost. Pyrus and Subterra. Here. Cool. Then yeah. Okay. So is Ventus Pearl Bakugan Goran. Alright. Ventus Pearl Goran ready to roll. Ready? Let's try again. Ready? Almost there. Try closer. Ready? Whoa! Okay. So here's our 2 feet, 2 arms, head, 430 Gs. That's our Julie's partner. All right, Ventus. And then is Ventus Pearl Bakugan Gaganoid. Spin, real cool. All right, Ventus Pearl Bakugan Gaganoid. Ready, roll. Ready? Whoa! So here's 2 wings, 2 hands, 4 horns, head, and 2 feet. So cool. The purple one head is cool. This is Ventus Pearl Bakugan Gaganoid. Yeah. Okay. To put these Bakugan pearls, Ventus inside the tin. Put gate cards here. And belly cards too. And put these up. These are the 7 Bakugans in the Ventus Bakutin. And put this on the lid. And there. Oh, so cool. This is a Ventus Bakutin. Awesome. Oh, amazing. So this is a Ventus Bakutin from Bakugan Brawlers. Is fantastic. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Click it to watch the Video Game Brawlers unboxing, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click it to the bell, click it to the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok here. Thank you guys for watching. Guys. See you next time. Bye. I'm Bakugan Brawl.